guys, it's Julia and I'm back with another video for you. Today I'm going to do a voiceover for a New Year's Eve glam look. I have a few new products that I got for Christmas, so I'm going to incorporate some of those things into this look. If you guys have been watching my Vlogmas, I would just like to say thank you so much for watching that. I only got to, I think it was day 15, so yeah, not a good vlogger. Sorry about that. I just got really lazy, to be honest, and then half of it was me studying for finals, which is no fun, but there's really no excuse for me not finishing that. Hopefully one year I can actually do every single day, but this year I couldn't do it. I'm sorry. Yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Hello guys from a brand new microphone. I'm super excited about this. Alright, so the first thing I did for this look was fill in my eyebrows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade and Brow Powder Duo in Taupe. And I both brushed my eyebrows out and filled them in with an Anastasia brush. And then from there, I used the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre I got for Christmas. And I just primed my eyes and I buffed that out with the Morphe M173 brush, which I got from the James Charles brush collection. And then I found this dark blue navy shade from the Dare to Create palette, and I made this big winged look using an eyeliner brush, which is the Morphe M250-1, and then I filled the rest of that look in with that Morphe M124 brush, just with the same dark navy shade. And then I took the Stila Magnificent Metal Eyeshadow in Molten Midnight, which is a black glitter, and I filled that whole wing in and perfected the outer edges with the Morphe M213 brush. Then I took the Stila eyeshadow in Perlina, which is a white glitter, and focused that toward the center and really blended that out as well. After that, I just finished the rest of my face. I did my normal routine. So I primed, I concealed because I don't do foundation, I did powder, I did bronzer, I did blush, I did highlight, all of the normal things, and I cleaned up the eyeliner look as well. And then I took this brush, I forgot the number of it, from the James Charles brush collection, and I highlighted my inner corners as well as my brow bone. And I used the shadow ring light from the James Charles palette, which is like a white shimmer. Then I got Lily lashes in Miami, so I applied those to my lashes. I love these. I'm super excited about that. And then from there, I just did my lips, which is the last step. So I have an Anastasia lip palette. I just took like a reddish cranberry shade, not shadow, from there, and I filled in my lips. And that's pretty much the rest of my face. The outro is really short that I filmed, so I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Hey guys, this is me finishing up editing right now. I must have forgotten to do like an actual talking outro when I actually filmed the video. Don't know how that happened, but anyways, this might be my last video of 2018, so I just wanted to give a big thank you to everyone who has watched me throughout 2018. It's crazy that it's already going to be a new year, but I really do appreciate you guys and how much my subscriber count has grown. I know it's not that much, but it means a lot to me that I have 800 plus subscribers, so I really hope to get at least 1,000 during the new year, so during 2019. If you guys could get me there, I would really appreciate it even more. But yeah, again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great new year and your 2019 is awesome. I know I need a better year than this year was. So we're just gonna hope for the best for all of us, right? Yeah, it's almost like the roaring 20s, you know? So anyways, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to stop talking right now. So just wanted to say thank you very much. I hope you guys had a wonderful day or are going to have a wonderful day. And I will see you next year. That's wild. All right. Bye.